If you're looking to generate leads on social media, this video is going to save you a ton of time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break down the top 10 online lead generation ideas that are proven to work, and I'm going to rank them in order of the highest converting ads that I've personally seen in my own business. So get ready, because this is going to break down the highest converting online lead strategies broken down by platform. Now, before I get into it, I just want to mention that I did just launch a free social media guide download where I break down the best practices on every social media platform: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, ManyChat, where it's going to break down everything you need to know about how to build a scalable business on those platforms. Comment below for the free download, where I'll send you a link and you can download it directly. So without further ado, let's get into the top 10 online lead generation ideas ranked in order of the highest converting. All right, guys, so number 1 is a custom list of homes ad on Facebook lead generation. You've heard me preach this time and time again before, because it works incredibly well, because it's leading with value. You're doing the work for the consumer, and if they are interested in a property in a certain price point, you're doing the work for them. It's an incredibly easy ad to run, and it's something that's incredibly effective as well, where agents have generated up to 180 leads in 3 days and closed 2 listings in the first month just by implementing this strategy. And it's something that, again, is going to provide value to your target audience in ways that other agents aren't thinking of. So if you want to start generating leads within the first 24 hours, the number 1 Facebook ad that you should be running is a custom list of homes under the average price point in your local market. Number 2, the next Facebook one before getting into YouTube, is the new development opportunities in your market. This is something that, again, has generated me $40,000 within 2 days with a $40 ad spend, as well as 14 listings that came from that experience, because the builder saw how incredible it was for me to drive traffic to their business. So what you need to do in this case is look at any new developments, whether it be condos, single family homes, detached, multifamily units, whatever the situation is. Look at new opportunities that are coming up in your market and simply run those as a Facebook ad. I'll show you an exact example of the exact ad that I ran, because I screenshot it so that I could share with you, where I simply saw a new condo development coming up in a new hot market in my city, where I just said, hey, if you guys want the best pre-sales pricing and exclusive access to all of the new developments, click the link below and I'll share with you this incredible opportunity. And what this did is it provided people an opportunity to get to know of a new development before they heard of it. It gets them the opportunity to get the best pricing on that development, and also, because nobody else knows about it, it gives them the opportunity to, again, get the exact units they want or the exact floor plan styles and layouts before it becomes widely known in the public that this development is available, and ultimately they miss out on that opportunity. So make sure to test that ad out, because you don't have to have any listings, you don't need to have any experience. You can do this as a brand new agent, and it's going to attract a ton of buyer leads to your business, because it's leading with an exclusive opportunity that they probably didn't know about, but it's going to save them a ton of money with the early adoption pricing. Number 3 is a YouTube video. So this is doing a city tour. We've proven this with so many different agents, and I'm going to be doing one myself this week, actually, is actually doing a tour of your city. Because what this does, and I'll provide an exact testimonial in a second, is it gives people an opportunity who are looking at moving to your city a reference point of who's the right point of contact. So if somebody's looking at moving to Denver from Chicago, and there's a video of an agent in Denver doing a full tour of Denver in general, the person looking to move from Chicago is probably going to reach out to that agent, because they're the only person that's providing insight, knowledge, experience about the city to people at scale on video marketing. This is a great way to demonstrate your experience and knowledge about the community as well as your local city, but it's going to be, without question, it's proven to be the best way to attract clients at scale from out of state, out of province, out of country. There's an agent that's become a good friend of mine that did over 56 deals and over $300,000 as his very first year in real estate, and the majority of that business came from a city tour in his local market. So this is proven in every market. Give it a shot. It's going to give you an opportunity, and all that you need is this device right here. You don't need a professional camera. You don't need some full production team. Walk around, get the camera in front of you, record a selfie style video, and just give a tour of your city, show all the amazing features, everything about your city that somebody moving there needs to know, and you're going to attract business from that video. Number Number 4, another video is listing videos. Now, a lot of people are gonna say, well, listing videos don't work. They're not gonna actually sell the property. Here's what you need to understand. It might not sell that property, even though it is gonna help with the exposure and the marketing, but what it does is it attracts clients at scale and helps you win listing presentations. As you start to put out high quality video content for listings, not only is it gonna give you a better opportunity to run higher quality Facebook ads for that listing, but when you properly optimize it and put it on YouTube, what it's gonna do is it's going to help attract other clients in your local market who want that level of marketing for their property. We're in 2020 and 2021 going forward. Everybody understands that in modern day, they want and need the best exposure on their property to get top dollar for and get it sold for more money in less time. So you're going to attract clients at scale by doing these listing videos, properly optimizing them for YouTube, and giving people an opportunity to see what you're doing above and beyond and demonstrating that you're a cut above the rest in the real estate industry because you're investing your hard-earned money and time into the actual experience. A lot of sellers feel like real estate agents don't care because they have no skin in the game. They simply upload the listing, let it become a sitting duck on the MLS, and hope for the best. But if you show and demonstrate that you're investing time and money and you've got skin in the game so that it's more of a partnership, then you're going to get listings from that, and it's going to allow you to win listings because you can prove when you share your screen on your phone or your computer that you're doing something that other agents aren't willing to do. Number 5, the last YouTube video is moving to your city, X things you need to know. Again, this is an incredible video for attracting people out of province, out of state, out of city. And this is gonna be something that, again, all you need to do is talk about the top 5 things that people didn't know about Denver, didn't know about Chicago, didn't know about Toronto or Vancouver, and they're looking to move there. Because every city has unique things that it's known for, and there's certain things that people do need to know before moving there. So if you make a video properly optimized on YouTube, highlighting the things that people need to know before moving to your city, you're gonna find a lot of people reaching out saying, wow, I didn't know that about there. I'm looking to move there in the next 6 months. I'd love to have a chat. I've got an agent on my team that's actually generating 2 qualified presentations per day by doing things like this on video. And he's a new agent in the real estate industry, and he just decided to share his knowledge with the city, and now he's scaling his business the modern way. Number 6 is a Facebook ad, getting back to Facebook ads and paid marketing. And again, when I'm saying Facebook ads, I'm also referring to Instagram ads, just listed ads. This is a great opportunity to attract buyers at scale, but it's also a great opportunity to attract sellers, because if you properly run your Facebook ads, as I explained in my free masterclass, what you're going to do is you're not only going to attract buyers for that listing, but potential sellers are going to see your ads, and ultimately, as they continue to see things through retargeting strategies coming from you, they're going to get more and more interested, seeing that you are being active on marketing, that you are leveraging strategies, and that you are putting more into the effort of getting properties sold than other people and representing them to the best capacity. So what you're gonna see is that you're gonna generate immediate buyers from that ad, because I've gotten a lot of people that have called me saying, hey Mike, I've been seeing a lot of your ads lately. I'm looking at selling and I want somebody that's gonna be representing my property on social media. I get that all the time. And that's coming from people not clicking directly on the ad, but as a byproduct of running those ads, people that are actually wanting that type of exposure for their own property. Number 7, Facebook Marketplace. This is free to do. You don't have to put any ad spend behind it, but simply post your new listings in Facebook Marketplace. I've double-ended multiple deals. I've sold multiple homes on Facebook Marketplace because, again, a lot of people are searching on Marketplace for anything and everything, as well as properties. What I'll do is I'll link a video above where it shows you properly how to do a Facebook Marketplace post, because if you just put all the photos on there, all the information, you're never going to get any leads from it. It's a very strategic process that you need to follow, but one that works incredibly well for attracting free leads at scale. Number 8 and 9 kind of go hand in hand, but 2 separate ones. Running buyer's guides and seller's guides. This is creating a free PDF download that people can download if they're looking to buy or sell in your city. So in the buyer's guide, talking about the things that they need to do and the things they need to avoid in order to get the right property for the perfect price. And on the seller's guide, talking about your unique marketing strategies and how you get homes sold for more money in less time. This is going to be, again, a great video to lead with value. It's giving something for free. You're going to collect their email. You're going to be able able to follow up with them, get them on a drip campaign. And this is going to be a great strategy for, again, getting in front of people, showing what you do differently, and explaining the experience you provide to people above and beyond the rest. Now, finally, rounding out these ideas is number 10, just sold ads. So just sold ads are great for credibility. It's great for brand building and showing that you're not just listing properties, you're actually getting the job done. But on top of that, it actually does attract a lot of sellers as well, because when people are seeing that you're selling these properties and you're retargeting them with more sold properties, they're going to see that you're the right guy or girl to get the job done, and that you're actually putting things into motion and closing up deals for people. So I've generated a lot of sellers with just sold ads. Again, something I explained in the free masterclass, and something that is going to prove that you're getting the work done for people in your local market. So there you have it. Those are the top 10 lead generation strategies that I've proven myself across all of North America, South America, Australia. If you want to implement these, I strongly advise you to do so. And I want to hear your opinion. So let me know if you're running any of them as well, or if you have any creative ads that have been converting clients at scale. Otherwise, please make sure to drop a comment below. Let me know your opinion, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.